So far we have discussed equation of a line in point slope form and intercept form. Today we will discuss general equation of a straight line. In your class 9th and 10th, you have studied that every linear equation in two variables represents a straight line. That is, the equation ax plus by plus c equals to 0, where a, b and c are real constants and a and b are not 0 simultaneously. Then this is called the general equation of a line. Yes, you have seen in class 9th and 10th, when you draw the graph of such equation, you always get a straight line. So this is the general equation of a straight line. Here we have the equation ax plus by plus c equal to 0, where a and b are not 0 simultaneously and a, b, c are the real constants. Now this equation represents a straight line. So what I do, I transpose this and this term to the other side. I'll get here by equals minus ax minus c. Now if this b is not equal to 0, then I divide both sides with b. So here I'll get y equals minus a over b into x minus c over b. Now this equation can be written as minus a over bx plus minus c over b. Now if I compare this equation to this form, yes, this was the slope intercept form. Here m is the slope and c is the y-intercept. Now if I compare these two equations, then m will be equal to minus a over b, right? And now what was a? A was the coefficient of x. So I can write this as minus coefficient of x over b was the coefficient of y. So if the equation of line is given in this form, that is in the general form, so remember this, slope is equal to minus coefficient of x over coefficient of y. For example, if I have the equation 2x minus 3y plus 6 equals to 0, as this is a linear equation in two variables, so it will represent a straight line. So the standard form is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. If I ask you, what is the slope of the line represented by this equation? Yes, we have just learned that when the equation of line is given in this form, then slope is given by minus coefficient of x over coefficient of y. So minus, what is coefficient of x? Coefficient of x is 2 over coefficient of y, which is negative 3. So slope of this line is 2 over 3. Yes, if in this equation b is 0, then what will happen? Equation will be ax plus c equal to 0. That is, x is equal to minus c over a and you know that it will be a line parallel to y-axis. So its slope will not be defined because y-axis is perpendicular to x-axis. That means angle of inclination of y-axis is 90 degree. So if we try to find out the slope of the y-axis, it will be tan 90 degree, and tan 90 degree is not defined. So slope of y-axis is not defined, and therefore any line which will be parallel to y-axis, the slope of that line will also not be defined. Yes. Suppose we have the equation in the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0. I transpose the constant term to the other side, so I'll get ax plus by equals to negative c. Now if c is not equal to 0, what I'll do? I'll divide both sides of this equation by negative c. So here I'll get ax over negative c plus by over negative c equals negative c over negative c. So this can be written as x over minus c over a plus y divided by minus c over b equals to 1. Now, can you identify this form? Yes. It is the intercept form, x over d plus y over c equals to 1. And x-intercept is minus c over a and y-intercept is minus c over b. Now, if c is 0, what will happen? If c is 0, the equation will become ax plus by equals to 0. You can see 0, 0 will satisfy this equation. So this line will pass through origin. And when a line passes through the origin, then x and y intercept are both 0. Suppose we are given the equation of a line as 2x plus 3y minus 6 equals to 0. Now the question is, reduce this equation in the intercept form. That is, I have to change this equation in this form. This is the intercept form. X over d plus y over c equals to 1. Now you can see that in this intercept form, the constant term is on the right hand side. So if I have to change this form to the intercept form, the first thing which I have to do is to shift the constant term to the other side. It's 2x plus 3y equals to 6. Now, in the intercept form, right hand side is equal to 1. But here I have got 6. So what I'll do? I have to make this 1. So divide both sides by 6. 2x plus 3y over 6 equals 6 over 6. Here I'll get 2x over 6 plus 3y over 6 equals to 1. Now this can be written as x over 3 plus y over 2 equals 1. Now this is the required intercept form. And if I ask you, what is the x-intercept? It is 3. And what is the y-intercept? It is 2. Alternately, what I can do, I'll first find out the x-intercept. x-intercept is the point of intersection of line and the x-axis. Therefore, I'll put y equal to 0. When I put y equals to 0, I'll get 2x minus 6 equals 0. So x is equal to 3. So x-intercept is 3. Similarly, to get the y-intercept, I put x equals to 0. So when I put x equal to 0, I'll get 3y minus 6 equals 0. That is y is equal to 2. So y-intercept is 2. Therefore, intercept form is x over x-intercept, which is 3, plus y over y-intercept, which is 2, equals to 1. Let's take one question. Find the equation of a line perpendicular to the line x minus 2y plus 3 equal to 0 and passing through the point 1 comma minus 2. Yes, we are to find out the equation of a line which is perpendicular to this line and is passing through this point. Let AB be the line which is represented by this equation. L be the required line, that is the line whose equation we need to find out. Now, according to the question, L is perpendicular to AB, so this angle is 90 degree, and L passes through the point 1 comma minus 2. So we need to find the equation of the line L. Now, in order to write the equation of a line, we need to know two things. One is m, that is the slope of the line, and second, we need to know a point on the line. Now here in this question, point on the line is given to us. So what we need to find? We need to find the slope of the line L. As L is perpendicular to the line x minus 2y plus 3 equal to 0. So what will be the relation between their slopes? Yes, the product of their slopes will be equal to minus 1. That is, slope of the line L into slope of the line AB is equal to minus 1. Now, equation of AB is given to you. Can you find its slope? Yes. Equation is x minus 2y plus 3 equal to 0. It is of the form ax plus by plus c equals to 0. When the equation is given in this general form, then slope of the line is given by minus coefficient of x divided by coefficient of y. So slope of AB, which is denoted by m2, will be minus coefficient of x. What is coefficient of x? Yes, it is 1. Over coefficient of y. Coefficient of y is negative 2. So I'll get minus 1 over minus 2, which is 1 over 2. So slope of AB is 1 by 2. So from here, slope of line L, m1, into slope of AB, which is m2, is equal to minus 1. So m2 is 1 by 2. So from here, m1 is minus 2. Right? So slope of this line L is minus 2 and it is passing through the point 1 comma minus 2. Can you write the equation? Yes, equation will be given by y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1, where m is the slope and x1 comma y1 are the coordinates of the point through which the line passes. So in this case, line passes through 1 comma minus 2. So this is x1 and this is y1. So equation will be y minus minus 2 equals minus 2. The slope, this is m, into x minus x1, which is 1. So I'll get y plus 2 equals minus 2x plus 2. That is 2x plus y equals to 0.